Okay, today we're going to work through 2 elapsed times problems together. That way everybody can become an expert and they can feel like they can teach it to everybody. So make sure you have your paper in front of you that says notes. And let's read the first question. It says, Matthew is having a party. It starts at 1:30 and ends at 3:15. How long is the party? So we need to find out how many hours and how many minutes the party is. So the first thing I'm going to do, as always, is to draw my number line. And then the first number on my number line is going to be the start time. Everybody go ahead and circle the start time, 1:30, and then put it on your number line. That's your starting. Okay? And now I'm going to hop by hours. And I remember that when I go an hour, 1 hour, my hour hand is going all the way around the clock. My minutes don't change when I do an hour. So this hour number is going to change to 2. My minutes are going to stay the same. So now I'm at 2:30. If I hop another hour, I'm going to get to 3:30, but my end time is 3:15. 3:30 is past 3:15. So now I'm going to start to hop by 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I'm going to count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I'm still in the 2 o'clock hour. I'm not to 3:15. I'm going to hop 5 more minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It's 2:40. I'm going to hop 5 more minutes. I'm at 40. So I'm going to count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 2:45. Another 5 minutes. Notice that I'm putting the numbers right where these humps come together. Then I'm going to do 2:45. After 45, I say 50. 5 more minutes. After 50, I say 55. After 55, I would say 60, but we know that if we say 60, we say o'clock. So it's going to be the next hour. So now it's going to be 3 o'clock. 5 more minutes. It's going to be 3:05. Then I'm going to go another 5 minutes. 3:10. Another 5 minutes is 3:15. 3:15 was my end time. So I can stop. I don't need to hop anymore. I started at 1:30. I ended at 3:15. Now I'm going to figure out how long that party lasted. Well, I see that I only hopped 1 hour. Let's see how many 5 minutes I hopped. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So I hopped 45 minutes. So Matthew's party lasted 1 hour and 45 minutes. Double check your number line and make sure that you have your numbers lined up right to where those humps come down. That way you're not mixing it up. Okay, and your last hump should be at 3:15. Okay, let's take a look at our second problem. The second problem is a little bit different. It says that Jocelyn is going swimming for 2 hours and 35 minutes. She will start at 11:40. What time will swimming end? First thing I'm going to do is draw my number line. And I'm going to put my start time at 11:40 right here at the end. 11:40. And it says 2 hours. So I'm going to hop 2 hours. 1, 2. 1 hour, 2 hours. Then I'm going to put in my times. I know that if I'm going all the way around the clock with my hour is going to bump up 1, 11, 12. My minutes are going to stay the same. Okay, I have to go another hour. So after 12 on the clock, the hour is 1. My minutes don't change. Okay, so I've hopped my 2 hours. Now I need to hop my 35 minutes. So I'm going to count out 35 minutes by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And I'm going to write 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So this equals 35 minutes. So I've hopped 2 hours and 35 minutes. Now I need to write in my times. So if I'm at 1:40 on my clock, I know that 5 minutes is going to be 45, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 1:45. 5 more minutes is going to be 1:50 because I'm just counting by 5s. 5, 5, 5. After 50, I say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. After 55, I would say 60, but since 60 is at the top, I know I'm going to say o'clock. And it's going to be the next hour, which is 2 o'clock. And then 5 more is going to be 2:05. 5 more is going to be 2:10. 5 more is going to be 2:15. And I've filled in my times for each of my humps or my hops. If it helps you to put those arrows, put those arrows. So my end time is 2:15. So Jocelyn would stop swimming at 2:15. This is my end time. I hope this helped and it makes you become an expert at elapsed time.